Hello friends, welcome you to my channel. Today I again come back with another new video, another new programming. So actually from the last couple of days I was suffering from fever, that's why I cannot able to make any videos. So today again I come back with a new programming. Okay. So today I am going to discuss how to find out the biggest element and as well as the smallest element of an array and their position also. Okay. So let's start guys. You can see here the program is already worked out. So as per we know that uh, at first we have to take the array elements from the user. That's why I am using here one for loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, printf backslash n backslash t a of mod t semicolon I. So it will print a of I semicolon. That means when I equal to 0, it will print a of 0 semicolon. Then cursor will blink for the array element that will be taken by user. So, okay. Okay, so and it will continue up to n, that is n minus 1, up to n minus 1, that is less than n. Okay, then we have to print all the array elements. Array elements are, so again I have to use one for loop and it will print a percentage d comma. So here you can see it will print what, a of I, the value, the array element, it will print the array element. Okay. But here I am using one comma, that is when user take an element, it will print, suppose if we take 5, then it will print 5 comma. Then for the next element it will, if we take 9, then it will print 9 comma. So you can see here is an extra comma in last. Okay, at last here is an extra comma, so we have to remove this extra comma. That's why I am using here printf backslash b space. Okay, so it will print the sorry, it will erase the last comma. The cursor will go to the previous line and it will erase the last comma. Then I am using here printf backslash n, so again the cursor will come back to the next line. So see, now I have here, I have declared that max is a of 0. Okay, so I declared that the max is a of 0. So we have to check the other elements of the array, if there is an element that is greater than a of 0 or not. So for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n minus 1, I plus plus, it will check for the other elements, all the other elements. Okay, so if a of I greater than max, then max will be a of I and the position will be I plus 1. We all know that if the index number is the position is always one more than index number. So if I equal to 2, then position will be 3. Okay, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then printed biggest number is the max and the position obtaining the position 1, that is this value. Then mean equal to a of 0 and we have to, I declared that, I guess it the minimum number of the array is a of 0. Okay, so we have to check for the other elements from 1 to n minus 1. If there is an element that is less than mean, so the mean will be this element, that element, and the position will be I plus 1. In which index it is present, the position will be that index number plus 1. So the smallest element is percentage d, that is mean, obtaining the position pos 2. Pos 2 means this value. Okay, so now I am going to discuss. Suppose this is an array and there is an 4 element 18, 25, 7, 50. So this is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3. Okay, so now I declare that a of 0 is mean, that is 18 equal to mean, that is our smallest number is 18. So we have to check the these three, for these three, if there is an element that is less than 18 or not. So suppose let's say then a of 1 equal to 25, that is greater than 18, that is not less than 18. So this is not our minimum number, that is no, sir, not our smallest number. Okay, this is not. So till now our minimum is 18. Then we will check for I equal to 2, that is a of 2 equal to 7, a of 2 equal to 7. This is less than 18, yes, this is less than 18. So this is now our mean. So till now we find that mean is 7. Then we will check for a equal to I equal to 3, that is a of 3, that is 50, is not less than 7, that is greater than 7. So this is not our mean. Okay, so when the I value will be 4, then the iteration will be out of the loop. So finally see that our mean is 7. Okay, and the position of it here I equal to 2. So position will be what? 2 plus 1, that is 3. So our position is position equal to, here I equal to 2, so position is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. See that here it is in third position. Okay, so that's how we have to find the smallest and as well as the biggest element of our of an array. So let's execute this program. Let's say total number of elements is 5. Okay, so it is asks for a of 0 element, that is suppose 2, then 8, then 0, then minus 65, then suppose 65. Okay, see here array elements are 2, 8, 0, minus 65, 65, and the biggest element is 65. This is our biggest element obtaining the position 5, this is in 5th position, and the smallest element is minus 65 obtaining the position 4, that is in 4th position. So I think now you can find out the smallest and as well as the biggest element of an array. So if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment box. Okay, and if you like this video, then press the like button, and also share this video with your friends and familiar person, and subscribe my channel to get more videos about programming. Okay, thank you for watching this video.